Okay. First, you have to determine the hazards. Okay. You have to determine the consequences, and you have to determine the risk by likelihood times the severity. So for this situation, I don't want to put into complex, but if you can see, normally they put number. You on the matrix they put number, mean that rare is 1 and likely is 2, possible is 3, likely is 4, almost certain is 5. So the most extreme one, if you say catastrophic and almost certain, you get into the risk. Then it's 25 and you can see the extreme is red. If things are red, either you stop doing it or you have to mitigate to reduce it at least to orange or to yellow. The best is you mitigate down to low. The mitigation will reduce the number, the risk level. For example, when I was talking about coming to me and riding a bike, what would be the mitigation? You wear helmets, you wear jacket, and you obviously you must ride according to the rules. So those are mitigations. And those mitigation you have to be the practice. And standard practices in any activity will be the SOP. So for Malaysia, like wearing helmet is a law. So something that is already put into the law. If not, then it can be as an SOP. Okay. And the risk template. This is something that you need to do. You need to each head of the club think of hazard, consequences, potential cost of that hazards, likelihood, how it can occur, severity, if it happen, what can happen, how severe can it be, injury, financial loss, or other things. Risk index, you multiply. Like I say again, likelihood is rare is 1, unlikely is 2, possible is 3, likely is 4, almost certain is 5, and consequence rating is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You multiply them together, you got some number.